Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a report in Looker Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head on over to Looker Studio and sign into your account. Now from here I'm going to start with a blank report. Now in particular I'm going to upload a CSV file. So once this comes to a new page, we can connect all this stuff, but I'm just going to do a CSV file for this demonstration. Now I've got a world map metric, so I'm going to add this CSV and click add. Now Looker Studio will show our data schema, fields and types, click add report. So now on this page, we've got a freeform layout or responsive layout. So I'm going to do a freeform layout. Then from here, we want to go ahead and set up our report layout. So go ahead and give your report a name by clicking at the top here. So I'm calling this world map metrics. Now from here, we can go ahead and add charts and visualization. So click add a chart. So click on insert. We can add all the different charts and heat maps, field maps, etc. to this report. So if I want to go ahead and add a bubble map, I can do so by clicking on that. And now we can expand it, make it smaller and move it around. Now if we click onto the map or the chart, we can play around and set up the charts or the heat maps, etc. Now once you've finished creating your report, you can go ahead and share your report. So you can go ahead and click on the share button, and then from here, link settings, we keep this restricted, unrestricted, or public. So if I want to do unlisted, copy link, and I can go ahead and share that to friends, family, or socials. And also Looker Studio auto saves your report too, so there's no save button, so that's going to always auto save.